Hey guys, what is up? It's Carn, and in today's video I'll show you how I do my summer makeup routine and how I like doing my makeup when it's very hot outside. First off, and the most important thing in this makeup routine, SPF. This is Biore UV. It's the watery essence. It's SPF 50 plus and PA plus. I know this is sometimes not easy to get where you live, or you can't really find them in store because they're always out of stock, but in case it is, there's another option, which is the Biore UV watery gel. It's essentially the same thing. Any one of these will work great. People usually ask how much SPF should you put in your face. For me, I just like to do like one dot on each finger, and I kind of just go like this. So one here, there, here, and then I just start to spread it out like that. Honestly, even if it's cloudy, you have to wear sunscreen, you guys. Just do it. And as you can see, it kind of acts like a primer as well for your makeup. There's no white cast. I'm just gonna move on to the lips. It's very simple. I just use one product. This is Jenny House lip balm. You've seen me use this a lot of times on my channel because I really love this. A very nice wash of color, like very natural like that. For summer makeup, I don't really like to do beat face, foundation, whatever that is. I'm just gonna use a concealer. I'm gonna be using Tarte Shape Tape. This needs no introduction. Everybody knows this. It's very good. I'm literally just gonna use this under my eye and perhaps maybe around here, around my 5 o'clock shadow. We don't need much. One dot, one dot, one dot, one dot. You're done. I don't need to use a sponge for this. I can use my fingers. And also, since Tarte Shape Tape kind of sets into a powdery finish, I don't need to powder this as well. You gotta make sure you blend it very well. Okay, this is the part where you're gonna make crazy faces. Now, my makeup for summer is not something like I'm gonna cover my whole face and it's gonna have a lot of coverage. I just cover like my under eye so I don't look dead. Same on the other side. Just make sure you blend it very well. There, I instantly look more alive, right? I also kind of like to put some here just to cover that 5 o'clock shadow, and just to even things out because my nose gets red, I just put it here in the middle. Now, the reason why I put it in my nose is not for coverage or anything. It's just to make sure, like this, my under eye blends in together with the shade of my nose, because my nose gets quite red. Alright, very natural. A little bit of coverage under the eye, and then just a bit of color here to match the under eye, and then tiny bit of coverage here around my 5 o'clock shadow. After the base, I go ahead and do my brows. It's from Untitled House Drawing Eyebrow. If you have black and dark hair like me, get this in the shade gray brown because this will be a very nice shade for your brows. You don't want to straight up use a black color. I'm just gonna fill in the sparse areas and then kind of just underline the bottom like that. By the way guys, this is also the makeup look that I do when I travel to tropical places like Thailand or Vietnam. This is the type of makeup look I would go for if I'm just gonna go out and do like activities and stuff. Then to give more definition to my brows, I'll be using Benefit Cosmetics 24-hour brow setter. Yeah, I don't put too much because this stuff is strong. It holds your brows all day long. You kind of just put the product on like that. If you want that laminated brow look, you should do this thing that I'm doing. So do that. And before it sets, oh my goodness, hurry up. Take your finger, you kind of press it down and up like this. Same here, press it down, going upwards. It kind of looks like you got your brows laminated and perfect. Yeah, one more thing, I don't powder my face because I like that glass skin look. That Biore UV, it doesn't give you a white cast, but it kind of gives you a dewy look, which I really love. Some days if I feel extra, I'm gonna put liner on. This is MAC Queen's, what do you call it? Waterproof pen eyeliner. Yeah, I tested this out for 12 hours. That was my previous video. You should watch that video if you want to know how this performs. It's so freaking good. I'm just gonna do the outer corner like that. Very simple, very basic. And just the same on the other eye. There, better. Okay, so let it set a bit because I'm gonna put some clear mascara on. I'll be using Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. So I'm gonna curl my lashes. You see, when you curl your lashes, it opens your eye more. I curled this and this one I didn't. You can see a big difference. It's legit just clear. It just defines it. It doesn't give any color or whatsoever, but you don't have to worry about it smearing off or smudging whatsoever. Since your face is very natural, it's gonna look odd if you highlight your face because you already have glass skin and that's the main thing. I'm gonna take Clara Cosmetics highlighting palette and just do the inner corner. Okay, I'm gonna do one eye so you guys can see what difference it makes. You can either go light-handed or heavy with this, doesn't matter. But look. This looks like he's about to do a 12-hour shift with no problems. This one's like, yeah, I'm ready, but by the 10-hour mark, I need some coffee. So yeah, let's even that out. On days that you don't have enough sleep, highlighting your inner corner will be your best friend. There, perfect. It's like a rose gold champagne color. It's very pigmented. This is Socialite Glow Kit from Clara Cosmetics. You can also take your finger with a highlighter and also just do your brow bone if you want a bit more extraness in your life, and you can also blend it even more in here, and it just kind of looks like you did a lot of effort with your face even though you just did it like that. On a normal basis, I could do this look in around 5 minutes. This is like a 5-minute makeup look as well. I will be linking all the products and naming all the products that I use down in the description. Most of these items you can get from YesStyle. And by the way guys, I am a YesStyle influencer, just a disclaimer, but you're in no way, shape or form paying me to do or say anything about them. Most of the stuff in here, you can find them on YesStyle. I'm also gonna link the product links down below so it's easier for you. And the good thing about YesStyle is there's always promotions ongoing there and you can always find items on sale. Plus, you can use my code if you want some additional percentage off your order. Yeah, this is it for my summer makeup video, and I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you in my next video. Take care, stay safe, and goodbye.